Hey, we're still walking around looking and seeing what's here. I see birds that way. I don't know if my camera's picking up because I don't see it. So far, it's just birds. But yesterday wasn't bad. I mean, I wish my youngest would have came to his senses and called, but he's too involved with his girlfriend. And I don't know, maybe one day he'll realize that family is important as everything else. But there's only so much a person can do. I guess he feels one way, I feel another. Oh, there's a bird on there. It must be a little better. There's two birds. Well, at least the birds are flying around. And there's another one over here. At least I know they're okay. But yeah, I'm okay. I'm sure he's gonna be talking to us again. It's gonna take time for him to realize that he's being brainwashed. But what else can you do? You gotta let things go sometimes so they come back stronger. Even when they are your own kids. My oldest is doing just fine though. He's married, he's bossy, he's doing his thing. At least I have him if I don't have anybody else. And I'm sure the other one's gonna come around. It's just kind of hard for a mom to handle sometimes. But I guess we all go through it when you have the support of people.